Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to access Wall Street Journal Eastern Edition. What you want to do is navigate to gilfind.gordonstate.edu and enter that into your browser's URL address box, gilfind.gordonstate.edu. That's going to take you to this website, and this is our catalog. Click on Citation Linker, select Journal, and then type Wall Street Journal, and then click on Submit. And there are different versions or editions of Wall Street Journal. The Eastern edition is going to be in the ProQuest Central available from 1984 database, this one right here. These others are going to be different editions of Wall Street Journal. So the one we want is ProQuest Central, available from 1984. And if you're off campus, it's going to prompt you for the Galileo password. And you can enter that in the box and click on Login. And that's going to take you directly to the journal in Galileo, and then you can search within this publication by clicking this box here, or you can browse individual issues by selecting them from the bottom. And you'll see that you can select by date, and you just click a date that you want to open, and it'll open up the entire issue of Wall Street Journal for that day that you selected. Alright, so how did I know what the Galileo password was? How you get the Galileo password is you click Sign In and select Gordon State student, faculty, and staff, and you're going to enter your username and your password, and this is your Gordon State Network user ID and password. It's the same that you use to access your email on campus. So you enter that and click Login. And then you're going to click the ellipsis where it says Show More, and then select My Library Account. And you're going to see a box that says Galileo Password, and this is going to display the current password for the semester. And this password changes every semester, and so it's all lowercase. And this is what you would enter to access Galileo databases if you're off campus.